There's another group of microfossils, and these are called Dinoflagellates. Now these are little unicellular organisms that have flagella, and they use them to propel themselves through the water in a spiral kind of motion. And these dinoflagellates also build calcareous cysts that protect them in the water. And you can also find these within these Cretaceous sediments and also in the Paleogene. Now we've looked at the different species, and we actually found one species that looks very funny, very peculiar, with a strong ornamentation on the cyst that only occurs within this boundary layer of the clay, of the fish clay here. So obviously the conditions during that catastrophic impact were so strange that a few very distinct species managed to survive or to thrive in under these conditions, and you don't find that species below or above. So it represents kind of a catastrophic environment that it managed to live in. So you might ask, why did some species survive and others did not? So what was the advantage of the species that survived? Well, one idea is that probably a life stage such as a cyst might have prevented them from being dissolved or being under unfavorable conditions. So if, like for example, those dinoflagellates, they form these cysts, and they are also called a resting stage. So it's like a cocoon. They are in this cyst, the cyst sinks to the seafloor, and they just stay within those cysts until they feel the conditions have gotten better, and then they open up a little round opening, plop, and then they hatch, and they're back and swim up to the water surface where they live.